Hi, welcome to Nashine Tutorials. In the tutorial, I will show you how to make fade text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. Firstly, create your text title as you like. After that, take it back the selection tool and move your text at the center. Resize your text as you like. Press the Control key on your keyboard and move the text at the center. And then go to the Effect control. Drag your footage to long. Come back to the Effect control and open the text setting. You can bold the font as you like. You can also change the fonts as you like. Resize the font as look good. Press Control key on your keyboard and move to the center. Press the shape to create a mask. Make a select on the point first and then second point, and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and drag the left side. Do the same method and drag to the right side. You can try to move the mask, you will see how it works. And then come back to the mask and press the mask path. Drag the keyframe forward, and press the mask, and move the mask to left side. And then see the result. Set the mask filter at 100% to be fade. Move a little bit and play it on. Put one more keyframe and move the line a little bit after press the mask. Move the mask to the right side. Look at the result. You can try other fade text animation style as you like. I hope you will like my tutorials, and please subscribe and click the bell for notification when I upload. Thank you for watching.